Hi everybody, it's Trisha from Huntress Habits, and I just have to share with you my new Spellbinders. This is not the Spellbinders Club of the Month. This is some that I got on clearance, and I'm going to try to do that about every 6 months. Just go into the clearance and see what I can find. And I think for all of these I paid like $20. So that's how much they were marked down. So if you keep your eyes on it, I have links below for Spellbinders. You can find some really nice dies. I can't say that they all emboss. Some do, some don't. And I've already got plans for this one, and this one. So it's just a matter now of deciding what I want to do with this. I think I'll do something similar to what I'm going to do with this one. And I would unwrap these all, but I'm going to be putting them in a new, be storing my dies a new way, and I wanted to make a video of that. So I didn't want to open them until I can do that. And then also, I'm going to be doing this, what I'm doing with this one, I'm going to be doing it on video. And so that one should be really interesting if I do it correctly. So now we've just got to find plans for this one, and I believe it was this. I don't have plans for this yet. So anyway, I wanted to share these with you because I've started the new playlist called New to Me. And these are all new to me. So check your clearance. Sometimes you can find some really very good deals. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Be watching for these. They'll be coming soon. Let's cross our fingers that that happens. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.